Hi students, section of solids 1, section of prisms, first problem. It's a pentagonal prism, 25 mm side, 60 mm axis, standing on its base on HP. It is cut by a horizontal cutting plane, bisecting the axis, passing through the center of the axis. I draw the plan and elevation of the prism. I draw one side parallel to XY line and complete the prism. The question doesn't say how is the prism, what is the orientation. ഏത് orientation ആണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. I preferred one side parallel to XY line. That's all. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, axis OP. Then I projected the elevation. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, O dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, I dash, J dash. Plan and elevation of the pentagonal prism standing on its base on HP with a side of base parallel to VP or a rectangular face parallel to VP. It is not mentioned in the question. I have opted this position. Now, the question says it is cut by a cutting plane parallel to HP bisecting the axis. So, where is the cutting plane drawn? The cutting plane is drawn through the center of the axis. H VT. As you know, the cutting plane is drawn as a chain line through the solid with the two dark extensions on the sides, and you put arrows like this. That's the direction of view. How many vertical edges the prism has? The prism has 5 vertical edges. What are they? A, F, B, G, C, H, D, I and E, J. 5 vertical edges. When the cutting blade cut the object and the top is removed, how many vertical edges does it cut? It cut all the 5 vertical edges. You have to mark the points where the cutting blade cut the vertical edges in an order around the body. Cutting plane object in the vertical edges in a cut in the points in a order mark. Which order? നമ്മൾ A, B, C, D എന്ന് പേര് കൊടുത്ത അതേ ഓർഡറിലാകുന്നതാണ് safe. There are certain things which you have to practice in an order in your mind so that you will never go wrong. Certain things you have to keep specific to your drawing method. You will not forget them. You will not get confused. Okay. So always mark object like this and the points also in the same order. It cut A dash F dash at 1 dash, B dash D dash at 2 dash, C dash H dash at 3 dash, D dash I dash at 4 dash and E dash J dash at 5 dash. You can see the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Okay. Once you cut an object, the top is one part is removed. Here when you cut the horizontal by a horizontal cutting blade, the top half is removed. To indicate that the top half is removed, in drawing methodology, what you do is darken the boundary of the remaining part or darken the edges of the remaining part. What does it mean? It means that the top is removed, the lighter portion is removed. Okay, this completes the sectional elevation. Sectional elevation വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു. Cutting plane വരച്ച് പോയിന്റ്സിനെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ഇരിക്കുന്ന പോർഷൻ ഡാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലൈൻസ് ഡാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ sectional elevation വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു. Now you have to complete the sectional plan. What changes will this cutting plane bring in the plan? That's the question. ഈ കട്ടിംഗ് പ്ലെയിൻ വരച്ച് ഒരു പാർട്ട് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ പ്ലാനിൽ എന്ത് വ്യത്യാസം വരും അതാണ് നമുക്ക് അറിയേണ്ടത്. Okay, 1 dash is on A dash F dash. So AF will have a point equal to 1. 2 dash is on B dash D dash. So BG will have 2. 3 dash is on C dash H dash. So C dash H dash has got 3 dash. So this is 3. D dash I dash has got 4 dash. So this is 4. E dash J dash has got 5 dash. So this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are they? They are the points where the cutting plane cut the vertical edges. Other cutting plane vertical edges in a cut in the points are. Okay. When you remove this and look from the top, what do you see? You see fresh cut surface. ഇത് എടുത്ത് കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് മുകളിൽ നിന്ന് നോക്കിയാൽ fresh cut surface കാണാം. To indicate that it is a freshly cut surface, you draw hatching lines. Hatching lines are drawn. These are the hatching lines. These hatching lines are drawn at 45 degrees to the XY line, and these lines are about 1 to 2 millimeters apart. These lines are 1 to 2 millimeters apart. Whatever you choose, it must be uniform. Don't take 2 lines 1 millimeter and 3 lines, next line 2 millimeter. Don't give like that. In one drawing, all lines should be equally apart. 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter is good enough. 1.5 is ideal. 1.5 millimeters is ideal. It's not to be measured and practiced. Just keep your set square, 45 degrees set square. Keep your 45 degrees set square and move on like this. Keep it like this. That is how you draw it. So that is called hatching lines. What do hatching lines represent? Hatching lines represent fresh cut surface. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is a sectional plan. So what you have drawn? You have drawn the sectional elevation, you have drawn the sectional plan. Now you are asked to draw the true shape. What is meant by true shape? True shape is the actual shape of the cut surface. Cut the surface in the actual shape is true shape. In this problem, since the cutting plane is horizontal, the sectional plan itself gives true shape. So what is true shape? This itself is true shape. This itself is true shape. So there is no need of drawing a true shape. So what did you complete? You drew the sectional elevation and the sectional plan. True shape is available in this. Agreed? Now, if you shift the cutting plane anywhere, this remains the same. Yes, as long as the horizontal cutting plane is here and it is shifted, this remains the same. Only the sectional elevation changes. True shape also remains the same. I hope you understand. If you change the orientation of the prism, nothing else will happen. There will be 5 points. You will mark the 5 points in the plan. Very simple question. Okay. Thank you.